My name is Tsepo Montsi. I am one of the co-founders of Monatea. So Monatea fundamentally is a cold-brewed Rooibos product. With the Rooibos, we combine other African botanicals as well as superfoods to create a range of 3 flavors. We have hibiscus berry buchu, we have sage lime cape mint, as well as ginger peach and olive leaf. Okay, so the ethos behind the brand is a zero compromise drink. So it came out of the frustration that I felt when I was confronted with beverage menus and beverage options, that everything either contained alcohol or contained loads of sugar or contained artificial sweetener. We have our better for you energy drink. It's called Fukwa. It is a kind of better for you energy drink with mood boosting properties. And every can of Fukwa that gets sold, a portion goes to support the Warrior Project in the fight against gender-based violence. Being on the Amazon store really means opening up a literal entire world of opportunity. We have just started on the store, but really for us the really exciting opportunity is the avenues to other markets that Amazon provides. We've just begun our export journey and we have sent product to Canada, to the Netherlands, soon to the UK, and we really feel that listing on the local Amazon stores is really crucial to our strategy in all of those markets.